Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap New Hampshire local and long-distance movers near me. Moving to New Hampshire, from packing your belongings, overseeing the details of your move, finding a new home, and making new friends, moving to a different state is a stressful and time-consuming process. If you would rather let someone else worry about the logistics of your moving process, then look no further than 3 Movers. We are movers in New Hampshire with more than 20 years of experience in the moving industry and can assist you with your local or long-distance move at an affordable price and stress-free. Here's what our moving company and NH can do for you. Moving to a new state is an exciting challenge for most people, but it also comes with a lot of fears and stress. With so much to think about and organize, it can make a big difference to request the help of professional moving companies and NH. Here's what 3 Movers can do for your interstate move. Plan. A long-distance move requires a lot of permutations to get everything in order. We can give you tips about how to declutter, the best ways to pack your belongings, and the best routes. A team you can trust. Our movers are professionally trained to handle a wide range of items and deliver them safely to their destination. Moreover, we offer insurance for all the objects our movers handle. Affordable rates. A long-distance move can be quite costly, and we want to help you, not add to your financial burden. That's why our long-distance move rates are affordable and transparent. Storage solutions. Life doesn't always go as planned. If you need to store your belongings for a while until your new home is ready, we can help with that too. We offer both long-term and short-term storage. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.